Ever heard the one about the lady who put on a full face of makeup just to hop in the shower? No, it's not the start of a bad joke, but a real beauty trend sweeping the globe. It's called pre-shower makeup, and it's making beauty fun again. So, what's the deal with this pre-shower makeup phenomenon? It's all about creativity and self-expression with a side of skincare. Imagine painting a masterpiece on canvas, but the canvas is your face and the masterpiece is a bold, colorful makeup look. Now, imagine washing it all away in the shower. Sounds a bit counterintuitive, doesn't it? But that's the beauty of it. The origin of this trend can be traced back to the digital playground of TikTok, where beauty enthusiasts started to experiment with bold, imaginative makeup looks without fear of judgment. The idea was to explore creativity freely, with the added bonus that any mishaps or disasters could be easily washed away. It quickly gained popularity, and soon influencers and makeup artists were joining in, celebrating the fun, playful nature of makeup and reminding us all that it's not always about the end result, but the joy of the process. Unlike minimalist beauty trends, pre-shower makeup allows for uninhibited expression. It's about painting outside the lines, trying that neon green eyeshadow, or drawing on a pair of eyebrows that would make even the most arched of arches green with envy. And the best part? There's no need to worry about smudging, smearing, or looking like a raccoon by the end of the day. Because the end goal of this trend is not to step out into the world, but to step into the shower. Now, for those of you over 50, don't think this trend is just for the young and the restless. Pre-shower makeup is for everyone. It's a chance to revisit those wild, colorful makeup trends from the past, or to try out something completely new. Remember, there's no judgment here. It's just you, your makeup, and the anticipation of a warm, refreshing shower. So there you have it, the scoop on pre-shower makeup, making beauty fun again, one shower at a time. Now, if you're intrigued and want to keep up with all these fabulous makeup trends, especially those that are relatable over 50, hit that subscribe button. Let this journey of self-expression and creativity continue, one bold brushstroke at a time. The world of beauty is at your fingertips, and the shower is just a rinse away. Till next time, keep painting those masterpieces.